In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete text messages from your phone. Whether you want to clear out old conversations, protect your privacy, or just tidy up your messaging app, I'll walk you through the process step by step in a clear and simple way. Let's start with the basics. Go ahead and unlock your phone, then open your default text messaging app. This is usually called Messages on most devices, and it's where you see all your SMS or text conversations. Take a moment to look at the main screen, where you'll see a list of all your conversations with different contacts. If you want to delete an entire conversation thread, find the conversation you no longer need. Press and hold on that conversation. After a second or two, you should see a menu or some icons appear. Look for the option that says Delete or a trash can icon. Tap that, and your phone will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this conversation. Confirm the deletion, and that entire thread, including all the messages inside it, will be removed from your phone. Now, sometimes you don't want to delete the whole conversation, just a specific message within it. To do that, tap to open the conversation. Scroll to find the exact message you want to remove. Press and hold on that single message bubble. Again, a small menu should appear with options like Copy, Forward, or Delete. Tap Delete and confirm if your phone asks you. Only that one message will be removed, and the rest of the conversation will stay intact. A quick tip here. Once you delete messages or conversations, it's often permanent on your device. Make sure you really don't need that information anymore before you confirm. If the message contains important details, consider saving them somewhere else first, like in a Notes app. If your messaging app has additional options, you might also see features like Delete multiple messages or Edit. These allow you to select several messages at once before deleting, which can save time when cleaning up long conversations. Finally, remember that deleting a message on your phone removes it from your device, but it doesn't delete it from the other person's phone. They will still see the conversation unless they delete it on their side as well. That's it. You now know how to delete whole conversations and individual text messages from your phone, so you can keep your inbox organized and your private information under control.